We got braids today. We're headed to the beach. Thank you so much. Oh, my straw is about to fly away. Thank you. So if you don't know already, we're in Miami, Florida. And I got in yesterday. We all got in yesterday. And we had happy hour at a restaurant. Oh, we had dinner at a restaurant. And then we went out for drinks. And Emisi and I were walking around.
Yes.
And we saw these lights up top of a parking garage. And we thought it was like, you know, a rave or a party or something. And we tried to crash the party last night. We get in the elevator going up the garage. And it turns out that it's like a formal function. Like, you need a ticket or invitation to get in. Yeah, it was weird, but we tried it. we weren't successful.
And we preface this by we were wearing like shorts.
Like denim jean shorts and like tank tops and shirts and stuff, but we ended up at a karaoke bar, which was a lot of fun.
So much fun.
And now we're having a beach day. It is overcast and cloudy, but that's not gonna stop us. So,
and it's supposed to clear up soon, so
yeah. So we're gonna have fun in Miami. We're here until Tuesday. So we're gonna have lots of fun. I'm so excited. So, yes. They got the drones out.
Oh, it is strong.
And they're selling, what is it, tequila?
Yeah.
Tequila slushies in plastic bags at the beach. This one's watermelon.
We will throw away the bag in a very respectful manner.
What flavor did you get?
Mango.
Look how pretty that color is. And
I had strawberry, even though I wanted the mango and strawberry.
She's the older sister, so.
oh my gosh, it's mostly tequila.
Yeah, it's so strong.
And we were in the water. My braid came out, but it's fine. It's all good.
It looks cute though.
More fun? Hey. These are waffles. How funny is that? Look at these waffles. And this place is called Wet Dreams. Yes. How did they come up with this idea?
It's Miami
I
Beach.
was very bored. I hated my 9 to 5 and then came up with it. Yeah.
Oh my god. There's Marvin's.
And white chocolate? You want it pretty or sloppy?
Sloppy. Whichever. I'm not picky. Like the middle one.
We walked by earlier and it was closed. We were like, why would they call it that?
So you work mainly at night?
What's that?
You work mainly at night?
I work at Square in the morning and at night I do this.
Oh my goodness.
I have ice cream, I have sprinkles, peanuts.
Ooh, sprinkles!
You want chocolate?
Color.
I did chocolate.
Chocolate sprinkles?